Good morning, class 8th. Today I am going to start the new lesson 4. The topic is more on HTML. In the last chapter, we had learned the basic structure of HTML. In this lesson, we are going to learn some more things, some more tags on HTML. So, first is heading tag. Our document usually contain titles and subtitles. These titles and subtitles from the headings of the document. Headings are a great way to organize your information on a web page. So heading is very useful, and heading is more efficient way, and using headings you can make your document attractive. So you can add headings to a web page in HTML using the heading tags. If you want to add headings or want to make your document more attractive, so you can use heading tags. In HTML, provide 6 levels of heading from H1 to H6. There are 6 main levels of heading tags, H1 to H6. The H1 tag defines the largest heading level, while the H6 tag defines the smallest heading level. That means H1 makes the text larger and H6 makes the text smaller. Let's see the different types of headings. Type the following code in the notepad file and save the file. Like HTML head title, types of heading, title tag closed, now head tag closed. Body tag started, H1 heading level 1, H1 tag closed. H2 heading level 2, H2 tag closed. H3 heading level 3, H3 tag closed. H4 heading level 4, H4 tag closed. We use slash to close the tag. H5 heading level 5, H5 tag closed. H6 tag started, heading level 6, H6 tag closed. You can write down any information between the tag, whatever you want to share, whatever you want to write in the web page. Then the work of body tag is finished, so we will close body tag and we will close HTML tag. Now what will be the output of the previous code we have written in H1 H2? Now look, heading level 1, the size of font is much greater than in comparison of heading level 6. As we will increase the level of headings H1 H2, the size of font will be decreasing. Double click the HTML file to view the output of the above code. The output is displayed in figure 4.1. Next is paragraph tag. When you want to write multiple lines of text, you generally divide the text into paragraph. When you want to write multiple lines of text, then you need to divide it into the paragraphs. In MS Word and in Notepad, the enter key adds a new paragraph or new document. However, in HTML, the enter key does not add a new paragraph. Here on the web page, for this you use the paragraph tag in place of enter tag. The paragraph tag adds an empty line above and below the paragraph. Paragraph tag adds an empty line above and below the paragraph. Syntax of the paragraph tag is small p closed in angular brackets. This is an example of paragraph tag. So p is used for paragraph tag. This is the starting tag of paragraph tag, small p. Then we have to write down the text whatever we want to enclose in paragraph. After that we will close the paragraph tag with the slash sign. We will close small p tag. Thank you.